you read the Quran, Allah Rabbul Alameen, He said in the Quran, in Surah Lail, Surah number 92, ayat number 4, Allah said, they work. Inna sa'yakum li shatta. Inna sa'yakum. Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum, what does it mean in Arabic? If I have to say Assalamu alaik, it would mean peace be upon you. But when I say alaikum, it means all of you. Assalamu alaikum, peace be on all of you. What is Allah saying? Inna sa'yakum. All of you do sa'i. Don't forget the meaning. What is sa'i? Prime time, prime effort, prime energy. All of you use your prime time. All of you, meaning who? Mankind. You Muslims, you non-Muslims, all of you. Sa'i, you use your prime time, you use your prime energy, and you put your prime effort. You use your prime time, prime energy, prime effort. When do I do that? I do it daily and in my life